Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome to the show. Mike here, and just working on a new project. Thanks for tuning into this. Hope everyone's doing well and staying safe during this time of the pandemic. It's wearing on everybody, I'm sure, but it also has given, especially a person like myself, a lot of time to catch up on some RC work. Here, I haven't shown you guys this, maybe in a previous tour video, but I have this four-wheel drive short course truck. This is the Team C TS4, also falls under the OFNA, which is now Habeo. It's always kind of been a blurred brand there, but back in the day, as you might know if you follow my channel, I'm a big fan of OFNA, and I also have an OFNA SCRT10 short course truck. Big fan of that. One is super durable. It's like bulletproof, just like my Hyper 8 scale buggy. So anyways, my plan was, as my son gets older and learns how to drive, he can drive and learn on the SCRT10, and I get myself a race model here, and it's not super high end or anything like this, but this is competitive enough. And I scooped this as a roller off eBay for quite cheap. Back in the day, I believe I scored this for like 80, 85 bucks. It didn't come with the wheels or anything, just the shell and the chassis and the setup. So I'm just showing you guys what's all here. So it's a pretty good looking truck if you ask me. I'm not sure if that's a Proline body on it. It seems like it could be with these fins. I remember those type of bodies back in the day, going back 6-7 years ago. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's the stock body. Probably could be though, not 100% sure. So we'll just take it off, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm up to. It's really got these tight things on the post. It's got body pin elastic or rubber bands on it so you don't lose your pins, and that's pretty handy stuff. But those O-rings there really fit snug on the body post. And I'm just gonna put this on the floor so you can see it's a true roller here. Now I've added in a servo, and I got a Tekin motor I put into this, so I'm really looking forward to that. I have a 120 amp ESC that I will mount. It's cool that the battery mounts in this way, sideways. A lot of times they would mount in parallel with the chassis. This one is horizontal, and you just pop these two clips out. This thing lifts off, and you slide the battery in, boom, and wire it up. This is an older servo here. It's Metal Gear. It's a Bluebird. I've had great success with Bluebirds way back in the day. Everyone laughs when I say way back in the day, but that's going like 6-7 years ago. I used to order off Hobby King. It's got super strong, and it's super quick. I've always kind of done things on a budget because I'd like to spread out. I had 4-wheel drive buggy, 2-wheel drive buggy, 2-wheel drive short course, 4-wheel drive short course, 1/8 scale buggy. I had like and stadium truck, 2-wheel drive stadium truck, and 4-wheel drive stadium truck. I tried to get models for every racing class, whereas some people would just focus on two and spend all their money, and they would put Savax servos in and high-end, more high-end electronics. But I have always had a good time with our good experience with these ones, and we'd race and I'd win heats, and I had friends that I bought some of the stuff for, and they put the electronics in their builds and they won too. So I mean, you can use Fly Sky radios instead of $300 on a Spectrum. A lot of it is the driver skill and setup of the RC. So super dampened here, as you can see. Bounce, pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to building this. The throw on this servo is incredibly small just to get the wheels to turn. I mean, it's going to use maybe 30%, 25% of the throw of the servo itself. So you're going to definitely have to adjust those endpoints. But all being said, I'm looking forward to finishing this build. Even got some mud flaps here. That's always kind of exciting. So guys, just want to show you this truck, and the next time I show you an update, I should have the ESC and all ready to go, put the battery in it, and we'll be driving it on the street and see how she goes. All right, guys, take care, peace, thanks for watching this, and we'll catch you on the next one.